Hi everyone, so in this video I thought I would show you how I do my makeup for when I know I'm going to be wearing a face mask for a long period of time. This makeup is perfect, it's going to stay on all day and hardly any of it is going to come off on your mask, so you don't have to worry about your makeup smudging throughout the day. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. So I'm going to start with my primer. I'm just going to use my anti-redness primer. This is personally what I like to use. And then I'm going to use my full coverage foundation. This is from Maybelline, this is the Super Stay, and I'm going to dot that all over my face. I'm going to concentrate this mostly round the sides of my face and on my nose, and I'm going to blend that in with my sponge. I'm really going to press this in and make sure that it's really soaked into my skin, and I'm going to concentrate mostly around my nose and the sides of my face because that's obviously where your mask goes. Obviously going to blend it across my forehead as well. And then I'm just going to add some concealer. This is my Collection Last Imperfection concealer, and I'm just going to put that everywhere that I feel like I'm going to need a little bit of extra coverage, so more so around my nose and on my chin, as that's where my mask is going to be. And then I'm just going to blend that in with my sponge again. Next I'm going to take my translucent powder and I'm just going to put that on a big fluffy brush and really pack that where my mask is going to be, so that's like on my cheeks, around my nose and on my chin. The more powder you put on, the less chance that your makeup is going to move throughout the day. So this is what it's looking like, and then I'm going to add a bit of bronzer as well because we're looking quite pale. So I'm going to take a big fluffy brush again and really pack that onto my cheeks. Using this press-in motion is really going to make sure that your product is really staying on your skin and you're not disturbing any of the product underneath either. I'm also going to add a little bit of contour down my nose and blend this in using my sponge once again. And then a really important step is setting spray. I use this like 3 to 4 times when I'm doing my makeup. It really helps to lock everything in place. And then I'm also going to add a little bit of highlighter. This is one of my favourite highlighters ever, it's so good, but I'm not going to take it on the tip of my nose this time like I normally do, just because it's more product that could potentially rub off on my mask. So I'm just going to keep that to the tip, not the tip, just going to keep that to the top of my nose this time. And then I'm just going to blend that in again. And then I'm just going to finish off my eyes, and then I'm going to use MAC Oak lip liner. These lip liners are so good. You want something that's going to last all day, and these ones definitely do. You're going to want to outline your whole lips as well, not just the outline. And then I'm going to use Doll Beauty's lipstick. You just want matte products for your lips because if you put a gloss on, there's more chance that it's going to stick to the mask and come off throughout the day. And then I'm just going to take a big fluffy brush with a little bit more powder on and just make sure that is definitely stuck down. And then I'm also going to take a little bit of tissue and blot what's left of my lipstick on. And then this is the finished look. I'm just showing you that when I put my mask on, the tiniest bit of makeup comes off, which is better than your full face that you've just spent ages trying to put on. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.